So our friend Mike has been restoring this Bronco for 20 years, and this is a 1971 Bronco that he got in high school from his uncle. So he got all the interior done, all the body work done, engine done. He brought it up to us to dial in the rear end and suspension. So on the rear end, we went ahead and cut the housing ends off, put 35 spline chromoly axles, billet housing ends, wildwood 4-piston disc brakes. The gear and axle shop went ahead and put 456 gears in it, the Detroit truetrac. The interior on this thing's pretty classic. Corbeau seats, 4-point harnesses, really clean dash. It's got the MP435 granny low 4-speed. Basically ready to go pick the kids up at school. It's got that classic but old school but new school feel. For the front end, we also put 456 gears in an ARB, but he was having some steering issues, so we got rid of the typical tie rod ends and inverted T. And as you can see right here, we put FK chromoly Heim joints, 1.5-inch quarter wall DOM tubing, drilled and tapped, and did a separate drag link and tie rod crossover setup with a clean steering stabilizer. Under the hood, it's got a 351 Windsor with Edelbrock heads. Thing runs really good. Mid-tube headers, sounds killer. You see the ARB compressor underneath there. So let's get in this thing, take it for a ride, see how it drives.